history. So student, in previous video I tell you about the introductory part of this chapter. In that part we have to discuss what is history and what we need to study the history. So this part we already wind up. Again in little bit here I explain you because if we want to secure or if we want to change, take a change present and future, then it's need to learn something from the past. So this is the basic importance of the history. Afterward we have to discuss in that module which type of French society is there and monarchical system is there. So all the topics we have to wind up one by one through this chapter. Okay. So which type of ruler ruled there. So all these parts we have to discuss in very detailed manner in upcoming videos. So first of all here I explain you one event which one held on 14th July 1789. Actually student, what is there? So this chapter is according to your NCERT book. जो बुक में आपके दे रखा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग ये बताया हुआ है कि ये जो चैप्टर है दिस वन इज टोटली फ्लैशबैक स्टोरी. ठीक है, वन इवेंट हैपेंड देयर बट व्हाट वाज द सर्कमस्टांसेस बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इवेंट हैपेंड बाय द पीपल. सो वी हैव टू डिस्कस दैट पार्ट इन आफ्टरवर्ड. ओके, so first of all here I tell you about the event, which type of event or which type of incidents happened by the people of the France. So here is one event that was declared on 14 July 1789 and the place of that event was Paris. Okay, so around 7,000 people collected at one place. That place is called the Paris, to demolishing the Bastille jail. So why they are doing this kind of activity? Because of some rumor spread between the people. And which type of rumor? So here is I tell you. So rumor is this ki the name of the French king was Louis XVI. So that king sent some military troop to attack on the people of the Paris, people of the France. So that's why people thought ki why we not prepare ourselves to against to fight with the military troop. So that's why they collected together in the Paris near the Bastille jail. So afterward they demolished Bastille jail. What the reason why they demolished the Bastille jail? Because for the fighting with the military troop, they want some weapons also. So for fulfilling that weapon, they attack on the Bastille jail and then they collect some weapons, some pistols and all, and afterward they totally demolish the Bastille jail. So this is the basic event. Now why this event happened? We have to discuss this part also afterward. So this is the story of the 1789. Now come to the chapter. ठीक है, अब जो है हम चैप्टर पर आएंगे कि बेसिकली इस इवेंट में हम कैसे पहुंचे. What was the story? ठीक है. So now according to your NCERT book, here is mentioned the first module of the chapter is French society during 18th century. So in 18th century, French peoples divided into some groups. ठीक है, so we have to discuss which type of group they are divided. So we have to discuss later. First of all, the main कह सकते हैं participant of the story जो है Louis XVI. ठीक है, so what was the Louis XVI ruling? ठीक है, how he affect the people's life? We have to discuss first of all this character. Okay, so because Louis XVI was the most important character of the story, so first of all we have to discuss about the Louis XVI. So here is mentioned on 1774 Louis XVI ascended declared as a king of France. That time he was 20 years. Okay, उस टाइम थोड़ी एज थी, that was 20 years of the age. He ascended as a king of France. Now who was Louis XVI? So Louis XVI belonged from Bourbon family. Okay, so the name of the family was Bourbon. So accordingly he belonged from the Bourbon family. So whenever in the exam will come the question who was Louis XVI, so Louis XVI was the king of the France and he was belonged from the Bourbon family. Afterward when he was 20 years, ठीक है, that time he declared himself as a ruler, ठीक है, of the France. Afterward what happened? He married with the Austrian princess. Her name was Marie Antoinette. Okay, so afterward when he declared himself as a king of France, then he saw his tertiary totally empty. ठीक है, so what was the reason why the tertiary empty, or afterward which type of problem facing by the Louis XVI we have to discuss in the next video. First of all, now come again back to the French society because this was the most character. So here I introduce which type of ruler is his and belong from which family. Basically, what the related to their lifestyle. Now come to the next part, French society. So here is mentioned feudal society. ठीक है, French society in the form रिलेशंस ब्रिस्ट होते हैं, so that person, that character come in the clergy. Okay, so first state all the clergy people speak. Afterward in second state nobility who has belonged from the king relatives, जो king के relatives हो सकते होते थे, ठीक है, उनके relations में होते थे, so that all people come in the noble group. Okay, afterward third state people peasantry, as well as we have to why we use this peasantry word, because they are doing the work under both groups, so that's why this one is called the peasantry group. But if in detail manner we have to study, so in third state all the people who has labor, who has doctor, engineer belonging from the middle class, ठीक है, merchants, trader, all these people come in the third state group. Okay, now this is the distribution of the people's group, ठीक है. Afterward some criteria is also different, ठीक है. So here is mentioned they enjoy the privileges. These two group always enjoy the privileges, ठीक है. They don't have any pressure related to the taxes, ठीक है. So both groups enjoy the privileges, or by birth who has belonged from these two groups, they always free to follow their privileges, their freedoms. Okay. Now only third state, this group only obligate taxes. It means only this group pay the taxes. Now what is the ratio? What is the percentage of the all three state of the people? So here is mentioned around 8%. यानी in out of all 100% population of the French, 8% people belong from the first state people. ठीक है, the number of the percentage of the first state people 8%, second state people 2%, and third state people 90%. It means maximum number of percentage in which group? Third state group. Okay. Now afterward, which type of problem facing and what was the reason why they outbreak the revolution? So one reason come here also. So what was that? Third state people face lots of problem. Now which type of problem they are facing? Related to the taxes, because whole and sole pressure of the taxes only on the third state people. Okay, because these two group they just enjoy their privileges, they don't have any pressure to pay the taxes, so that's why. So now various types of taxes they pay. So which type of taxes we have to discuss this part also. First state people who has clergies, they take the taxes around 1/10 of their production. ठीक है, जो भी उनका प्रोडक्शन होता था उसमें से कम around 1/10 production he take as a taxes. So that taxes is called tithes. Okay, so that taxes is called tithes. So here is mentioned a tax which one, because in the exam also will come this type of question, a tax which one collected by the clergy, what we call that tax. So that tax called tithes. ठीक है, and how much they collect? 1/10 out of their whole production. Now one more tax they have to pay. So that one is the this tax they pay to the noble people. ठीक है, nobility group. So this tax is called the tally. This tax is called the tally. So in this way, two types of taxes they are paying. ठीक है, this much only here is mentioned, but some more taxes like food, service. So various types of taxes also they are paying. So it means they are too much pressure of the taxes. ठीक है. So because of this incidents also they against the Louis XVI, and Louis XVI can't listen anything about whatever problem facing by the third state people. Or as you know here I already told you कि 90%, it means almost percentage of the people belong from the third state people. Okay, so this is the reason because of Louis XVI not popular between the people. ठीक है, between the people of the France. So overall here is tells about one event. इस मॉड्यूल में जो हमने पढ़ा है that one is one event which one happened in France 14 July 1789. Afterward we have to discuss about the French society. Okay, what was the role of the Louis XVI? Which type of ruler he was? Belong from which family? Married with whom? ठीक है, that time which type of situation facing by the Louis XVI? Then ratio we discussed. Then afterward 3 parts of the group of the people that one we have to discuss through this module. Thank you students.